Once again to our channel Invest in Bharat Stocks. In this channel, we are discussing our study about different stocks which we think that in future they will become bright star and they can give you good returns. Now here our principle is to save the capital and then increase the profits. So if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel and also share this channel with your friends and relatives who are interested in the share market. So let us start. This is our 9th stock from our 40 stock series, and this company has network of 58 LPG bottling and blending plants and more than 209 auto LPG dispensing stations. They have experienced professionals. This is very good feature of the company. More than 1400 dealers and distributors, highest quality talent, and this company is present in 22 Indian states. Now you know that the use of LPG is increasing for vehicles, also for cooking purpose, and this area can give you good returns if you choose a good company from this sector. And this company we have chosen, this is from this sector, and we expect that in coming future the company will give us good returns by increasing the share price and dividend and so many benefits we can get from the company. So this is our 9th stock from the series, and we are particularly selecting the stocks where we will try to minimize our losses, or we will try to save our capital first and then we will increase the profits. We are not discussing about the speculative stocks which we think that they will give good returns, but generally they will make all the losses. The companies which are fundamentally strong, those companies only we are discussing. And after this you can do your own study, discuss with your investment consultants, advisors, and then take the decision. What we are doing is that we are only discussing or sharing our knowledge or our study. Finally you are the decision maker and you have to take the decision. Now this company with entrepreneurial skills, innovative strategies, seamless execution, and this is emerging as one of the fastest growing and leading private sector organization in India. So we have very good growth prospectus for this company, and this has diversified business interest in the energy sector with significant presence in LPG energy, liquid petroleum gas, and these companies keeping pace with the nation's energy requirements. Now you see that India is a very big country and still we are in the growth phase, so our energy requirement is very huge and there is so much scope for the energy companies to work in India. Now if you see the financial achievements, so the revenue increased 65% from 610 crores in 2017-18 to 1009 crores in 2018-19, and net profit also increased 149% from 27 crores to 67 crores in 2018-19. And what are the growth opportunities for this company? This company is planning to expand its dealer network, so they will have more customers. Company is confident to touch 25,000 metric ton per month by the end of financial year 2022 from 6,500 metric ton per month in 2018-19, means fourfold growth, 400% growth the company is expecting. And direct benefit transfer of LPG and GST rates are also the game changer, so the company can expand its market. And subsidies also government is focusing on that, and because of that the company will get direct benefits. In coming years, parallel marketers, particularly the company, will be a very key beneficiary in this because of the government policies. And they are especially in the hotels, restaurants, industries and domestic consumption owing to lower overheads and better distribution cost because they have good dealers network and presence in most of the states, about 22 states, and they are also strengthening the network, and that will benefit for the company because for these types of consumables the important thing is the dealer network. With unmatched widespread network of the LPG bottling infrastructure in India will help in significant lower logistic cost for the company because profit margins will depend upon the logistic cost for these types of companies where they require the dealer network because it is consumable, and you know that the dealer network will play a major role in these types of companies. Now if you see the structure of the company, promoters have 52.85% stake. This is very good sign that they have more than 50% stake. Banks, financial institution, LIC, FI, they have 7.31%. Others and general public is 39.85%. So this stake is very good. If you want to take a big position, your investment is more, you can invest in this company. Price on record day, that is 3rd of July 2020, it was 21.05 rupees. 52 weeks high and low. High was 36.05 and low was 12.85 rupees. Number of shares are 178.2 millions. So if you want to take a big position, you can take, because now 39.85 plus 7.31, that is free float is about 47.16%. So if you want to take more, you can buy more. These shares are available, liquidity is more. Face value is 1 rupee, and in the dividend in financial year 19 was 10 paise, means 10% dividend. Market capitalization is 273.83 crores. So this is a small company, small cap, and these companies will have a good potential to grow because they have still so much area where they can expand. PE ratio is 10.95 and price to book value is 1.28 and debt to equity is 0.06. This is long term debt. Long term debt to equity is 0.06. This is very good sign. Now if you see, the net sales has grown from 306 crores to 1005 crores during the period, from 306 to 355, then 497, 607, then 1005 crores. And sales growth, you can see that initially it was 13.85%, then 16.01, then 40%, 22.3 and 65.56%. So this company is in the growth phase, so we have very good opportunity in this company. Operating profit has also increased from 25 crores to 35, then 41, 71 and 126 crores. And net profit also increased from minus 23 to 67 crores over the period. So the company has good sales growth. Operating profit has also increased. Operating profit margin has also increased, and net profit has also increased. If you see the assets, then fixed assets has increased from 183 crores to 356 crores over the period. 183, then 180, 199, 243 and 356. And total assets also increased 372 crores to 620 crores. 372, then 363, 407, 476 and 620 crores. So according to us, the promoters have good control. They are very good experienced. They have good dealers network, distribution system, and they are going to expand. And India itself is expanding market for these types of items, LPG. Government is also encouraging. Power requirement of the country is more. And the company is in the small cap, so there are more chances of growth in this sector. Now, name of the company is Confidence Petroleum India Limited. NEC code is given CONFIPET and BSE code is 526829. We hope that this company will do good in a period from 3 to 5 years, because up to 2022 they are expecting 4 times growth in their capacity. It itself means that the profit will increase and this will be reflected in the share price. Now, this is our study. If you want to take any position in the company, then you do your own analysis, find out more information and also discuss with your investment advisor, and then after you can take any decision to take any position in the company. If you are not subscribed yet, do subscribe to the channel, because shares which we have discussed up to now has increased their prices and they have made a good rally, and many of our subscribers and viewers have replied us that they have done a good profit in short period also. Even if we are suggesting this for 3 to 5 years, still in a short term also the stocks are rallying nicely. So if you want to take any position, take your own decision after doing the complete analysis, complete study and taking help of your investment advisor. Thank you for watching our video. We will meet once again with a new stock, new company. Up to then, take care.